LED lights have grown so much in popularity because they offer a cost-efficient way to light your space and project. They are extremely versatile, light in weight, flexible, and easy to install. There are now more people who shop for LED strip lights online and offline. That's why everyone has been searching for LED lighting ideas nowadays. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you latest trending and amazing super LED light design ideas. So please keep watching the video and also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and also press on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notification. Among all LED lights, product LED strips are definitely the most popular. We can use it for coach lighting, truck lighting, for room decoration, and so on. Here we have outlined many LED light strip ideas that you can work on using LED light strip. If you want to start your own cool LED dye project, watch our video till at the very end. LED strip lights for wall lighting. Looking for LED lighting ideas for home? LED wall lighting is best for you. In fact, walls are the most common area where LED light strips are used to illuminate a space. There are a variety of ways you can use LED light strips to light walls. However, all these ways are divided into three categories. Recessed wall lighting. In recessed wall lighting, LED light strips peek through a hollow part of the wall. This type of lighting is great for giving your space a charming look. Recessed wall lighting can be used in homes, office, and even commercial spaces as they give your space a more sophisticated look. Surface mounted wall lighting. You can also choose surface mounted wall lighting where LED light strips are pasted or mounted on the surface of the wall. This type of lighting is usually preferred when you need unfiltered bright light in your space. Third one is decorative wall lighting. You can also use LED light strip for decorative wall lighting. You can let your creativity take flight. LED light strips are great for decorative lighting as you can easily install them and take them down. They can be reused for years. For wall lighting through LED light strip, we suggest you use for adjustable strips for recessed lighting, LED strip for surface mounted lighting, and built for decorative lighting. You can use anywhere from these strip lights depending on how bright you want the light to be. The length of strip will depend on the measurement of the wall. You can use LED light strip connector to connect the strips with each other and to connect the strip to a power source. You can figure out the wattage required for running the strips by multiplying the total length of the strip with the wattage per meter. Easily control the color, temperature, and brightness of the LED light strips using LED light strip controllers. LED light strips for backlighting in LCD screens. Here comes teenage boys' favorite LED strip lights project. Backlighting your TV screen is a great way to add to the overall style of your TV and your room. LED light strips are flexible and safe, so you can easily install them on the back side of your TV without worrying about damage or interference. This is a great way to create an aesthetic piece of lighting, especially when your TV is turned off. LED light strips for stage design lighting. Stage lighting is an important part of an event, be it a formal event, a runway show, a theater performance, or a concert. Stage lighting plays an important role in its success. LED strip lights are a great way to light stages as they are versatile and can run for hours without consuming much energy. They are flexible enough to reach places that traditional source of light simply cannot. When it comes to stage lighting, you can use LED light strips in different ways. You can use diffused LED light strip to backlight screens and RGB colors. LED neon lights can be used to highlight key areas of the stage. I hope that you like these ideas. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. I am very thankful to all of those who watch my video till at the end, because it is a great sport for me that we were watching my videos at the very end. It will increase the value of my YouTube channel. Thanks again.